हाय फ्रेंड, नमस्ते, गुड मॉर्निंग. बऱ्याच दिवसानंतर पुन्हा मी तुमच्यासमोर आज नवीन काही काही मुलांच्या रिक्वेस्टवरून जी मी मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये अपलोड केलेले आहेत टेन्सेस स्ट्रक्चर्स, त्यांच्या काही समस्या आहे की बऱ्याच मुलांनी मला सांगितलं की सर कॉल करून बोललेत की सर आम्ही तुमचे व्हिडिओ बघितले पण we didn't understand, we understood, but after few duration we didn't remind it. So is there any solutions, is there any listed way to remind it, how to identify such kind of sentences which belong to this kind of tenses? So first of all, I told them you must read again and again. Then, after thinking all the conditions and requests of them, I came today to go live and tell to you. If you read, if you heard what did I uploaded about simple present tense, how to identify it, I have given the notice which is important. When one sentence occur in front of you which is in English Marathi, so you must know, you must have knowledge about that notice. In the ending of Marathi there should be to ta tit. If such kind of words is occurring at the end of the Marathi sentence, it is belong to simple present tense. And in continuous present tense, if there is तो आहे, तात आहे, तीत आहे, त्यात आहे, such kind of words is occurring at the end of the Marathi sentence, this kind of sentences also belong to the continuous present tense. Perfect present tense, at the end of Marathi sentence there is ला आहे, ली आहे, ले आहेत. Such kind of words appear at the end of sentences, so it is also perfect present tense, Purnavartaman Kal. And continuous perfect present tense, at the end of Marathi sentence the word is त आलेला आहे, तात आलेली आहे, तीत आलेले आहे, त्यात आलेले आहे. Such kind of words, if there will be, that is continuous perfect present tense. अशा प्रकारची माहिती मी आपल्या या आधीच्या लेक्चरमध्ये अपलोड केलेली आहे. तुम्ही वारंवार ते वाचावी, वारंवार ते चर्चा करावी. And reminding one thing in your mind that only reading is not beneficial for you. After reading anything, what did you read? You must talk, you must conversation with your colleague, with your friends, with your chum. After gossiping, after conversation, after chatting, day by day, one day will appear in front of you that you will automatically knew that it is this tense, it is that tense. Because when shall it happen? If you are practicing again and again, it is a role of practice. So today I told you how to recognize which thing is necessary in should be while identifying, while turning the sentence Marathi sentence into English. So do that regular and be prompt in English. If you like my videos, so like, share and subscribe. And if you have problem, if you didn't know that, comment it which chapter didn't you know that. So till then, bye. Okay, bye.